Welcome to today's webinar. I'm Tim Stewart from Visual Decisions, and I've spent decades helping companies transform their operations using lean manufacturing and cutting-edge digital tools. Over the next 20 minutes, we'll explore how smart manufacturing can benefit supervisors in your business and how you can create a more agile, efficient, and resilient operation. Let's get started. Supervisors are the critical linchpin between strategic vision and operational execution in any smart manufacturing initiative. They translate high-level goals into actionable tasks, manage the day-to-day dynamics of the shop floor, and ensure that teams understand and embrace new technologies. By empowering supervisors with the right tools and insights, organizations can accelerate their digital transformation and drive significant improvements in efficiency, quality, and employee engagement. During today's webinar, we will cover the following topics: the supervisor's role in modern manufacturing, setting the stage for how supervisors contribute to overall operations and the unique challenges they face, core components of smart manufacturing, introducing the key technologies and systems that enable real-time data collaboration and continuous improvement, benefits and value proposition for supervisors, highlighting how these technologies directly enhance supervisory tasks and outcomes, and finally, the smart supervisor, mapping specific responsibilities and pain points to the solutions discussed, showing how supervisors' evolving role changes in a data-driven environment. Supervisors hold a pivotal position in any manufacturing environment, acting as the bridge between management's strategic objectives and the realities of the production floor. They ensure that high-level targets, such as output goals, quality standards, and cost controls, are translated into actionable day-to-day instructions for frontline workers. In a world where markets demand faster turnaround, higher customization, and unwavering quality, supervisors' traditional roles continue to expand. Technology, regulatory requirements, and changing workforce dynamics all place new pressures on these critical leaders, setting the stage for smart manufacturing solutions to become more indispensable than ever. Let's look at some of the traditional responsibilities. Creating and maintaining production schedules to meet order deadlines, often juggling resources and machine availability. Assigning tasks and shifts, ensuring that the right people are matched to the right jobs, and balancing workloads across teams. Inspecting products for defects, monitoring process parameters, and collaborating with quality teams to address deviations. Enforcing safety policies, conducting risk assessments, and ensuring adherence to industry regulations and documentation requirements. Tracking production outputs, cycle times, and other key performance indicators to identify trends, inefficiencies, and bottlenecks. Ensuring that machines remain operational, coordinating maintenance schedules, and managing material inventories and tooling needs. Onboarding new hires, coaching existing staff, and maintaining a skilled, cross-trained workforce to handle production variability. And finally, resolving conflicts, recognizing achievements, and fostering a collaborative atmosphere that promotes high morale and low turnover. Now let's look at some of the traditional pain points for supervisors. This is not a comprehensive list whatsoever. Reactive problem solving. Issues are often discovered only after they've caused delays or defects, forcing rapid firefighting. Limited real-time visibility, where supervisors may rely on manual data entry or infrequent status updates, which can result in early warning signs, or can mask those early warning signs, rather. Communication silos, where different departments, production, quality, and maintenance, operate in isolation, leading to confusion or duplicated work. Paper-based processes where physical forms for quality checks, inventory logs, or maintenance records slow down the data collection, data sharing, and auditing. And then skills gaps and workforce challenges, where finding skilled workers, training them effectively, and retaining them can be difficult in fast-paced production settings. And there are new challenges with the way that the world is changing so fast today. Traditional pain points have taken on new urgency with the evolution of modern manufacturing. Global supply chains create complexities around lead times and inventory management, while customers now expect shorter delivery cycles, higher customization, and impeccable product quality. Regulations around safety and environmental impact continue to tighten, increasing the need for detailed records and compliance. At the same time, younger generations of workers bring new expectations for technology integration, career development, and work-life balance, further complicating the supervisor's role. Given these intensifying challenges, supervisors must shift from reactive overseers to proactive leaders. It is no longer sufficient to address problems only when they arise. Instead, there is a need for real-time data and predictive insights that can highlight issues before they become costly disruptions. Breaking down communication silos requires constant collaboration rather than isolated meetings, and paper-based processes must be replaced by digital platforms to provide instant, shared access to vital information. Supervisors are not merely operational coordinators, but catalysts for innovation, quality, and efficiency. When equipped with modern smart manufacturing technologies, such as IoT sensors, analytical tools, and digital work instructions, they can meet operational goals more effectively, boost productivity, and raise employee satisfaction. Embracing this shift is crucial for manufacturers seeking to remain competitive, adaptive, and prepared for the evolving demands of the market. So let's take a look at some of the core smart manufacturing technologies that are applicable for supervisors. Connected IoT devices and sensors can collect real-time data on machine performance, environmental conditions, and production metrics. They can enable the immediate detection of bottlenecks, deviations, or maintenance needs. Manual operation monitoring can track and analyze tasks being performed by hand, such as assembly or inspection steps. This can also help to identify opportunities for automation or process optimization based on those data insights. Digital work instructions can provide on-demand procedures, checklists, and best practices to workers, reducing errors and help to ensure consistency. They can help accelerate new hire onboarding and cross-training by offering step-by-step guides for various processes. Data analytics and AI transform raw data into actionable insights for predictive maintenance, quality control, and process optimization. They also highlight trends, detect anomalies, and recommend solutions before issues escalate. Mobile dashboards and alerts deliver production updates and alerts directly to the supervisor's smartphones or tablets, and they allow for faster decision-making and immediate responses to deviations on the shop floor. Collaboration platforms help to unite different teams, such as production, quality, maintenance, and logistics, in a single digital environment. They also help to facilitate real-time communication, reduce silos, and streamline issue resolution through centralized data sharing. Now let's take a look at some of the key benefits for supervisors. Real-time visibility will help to gain immediate insights into machine status, production metrics, and quality checks. Helps to identify and address bottlenecks or deviations before they escalate. Data-driven decision-making will help to leverage analytics and AI to interpret the shop floor data so that the supervisor doesn't have to do it manually. It helps to prioritize resources effectively, reducing guesswork in scheduling, maintenance, and quality control. Workforce management and engagement can help to match labor allocations to real-time production needs. You can use that same information to use performance data to refine training initiatives and skill development. Quality and compliance, you can detect defects early with live monitoring and automated alerts, and maintain comprehensive traceability to meet stringent regulatory standards. Boosted operational efficiency, enhance throughput by minimizing the downtime and optimizing production flows, and drive cost savings through better resource utilization and waste reduction. Proactive problem solving, where predictive maintenance and anomaly detection minimize the unplanned downtime and creates a shift from reactive firefighting to continuous improvement strategies. Enhanced communication and collaboration, break down departmental silos with shared real-time information and accelerate issue resolution through that centralized communication. Improved employee engagement can automate repetitive tasks, freeing supervisors to focus on leadership and mentorship, and foster a culture where employees take ownership of their own performance. Simplified compliance removes a big headache for supervisors where you can streamline record keeping with automated data capture and digital documentation. This reduces administrative overhead and also errors in reporting. And then improved adherence to standard work, where digital work instructions help to ensure consistent execution of tasks and tools enable supervisors to quickly spot deviations and reinforce best practices with their team. So going back to the traditional responsibility list for supervisors, let's take a look at that and see how smart manufacturing streamlines those activities. For scheduling and production planning, real-time IoT data on machine status and production rates enables supervisors to quickly adjust schedules and allocate resources based on up-to-the-minute insights. Workforce coordination. Collaboration platforms provide centralized visibility of team skills and availability, while analytics highlight optimal staffing levels for each production stage. Quality control and assurance. Digital work instructions and automated alerts flag quality deviations early, reducing the risk of large-scale rework and boosting overall quality. Safety and compliance. Live monitoring and automated data capture streamline incident reporting, help identify hazards in real time, and simplify audit preparation. Performance monitoring. Dashboards and analytics tools display up-to-date KPIs, enabling quicker interventions and more targeted continuous improvement efforts. Equipment and resource management. Predictive maintenance and condition-based maintenance and so forth help plan repairs and avoid breakdowns. IoT sensor data tracks resource usage for better inventory planning. Training and mentoring. Digital training modules and SOPs support standardized online, on-demand learning, and real-time feedback helps supervisors identify skill gaps and target specific coaching. And then team motivation and engagement. Transparent performance metrics and communication tools help to enable timely recognition, reduce misunderstandings, and give employees a sense of ownership in outcomes. And just as technology can streamline traditional responsibilities, it also addresses some of the most persistent struggles that supervisors face. By analyzing these issues through the lens of modern solutions, one can see how supervisory role becomes more proactive and less burdened by outdated processes. So we go from reactive problem solving to having predictive analytics and real-time monitoring to identify problems before they escalate, allowing supervisors to plan maintenance or corrective actions. The current limited real-time visibility is addressed through IoT sensors and mobile dashboards that provide on-demand access to vital metrics that ensure immediate data-driven responses. Right now, we have communication silos, but collaboration platforms can consolidate the data and message, ensuring that all relevant parties have aligned objectives and a common view of ongoing processes. The current paper-based processes, digitizing those processes can speed up data capture, improve accuracy, and provide an accessible audit trail for compliance and continuous improvement. And finally, skills gaps and workforce challenges, digital work instructions, on-demand training resources, and performance analytics can help to quickly upskill workers and maintain a flexible, capable workforce. Finally, the transition to smart manufacturing can be complex, but by focusing on engagement, transparency, and gradual adoption, organizations can accelerate implementation while minimizing resistance. The most important lessons from this discussion include how supervisors evolve into strategic leaders. By moving beyond the day-to-day firefighting, supervisors can align frontline operations with higher level goals, shaping a culture of proactive improvement. Real-time insights enable supervisors to predict issues sooner, prioritize resources effectively, and guide their teams with confidence. As connectors between departments, supervisors can use shared data and platforms to unite quality, maintenance, and production teams around common objectives. With a clearer view of training needs and performance metrics, supervisors can coach employees more effectively, boost morale, and nurture a skilled, motivated workforce. And freed from manual tasks, supervisors can focus on refining processes, piloting new ideas, and steadily driving better outcomes across the organization. So, after exploring how smart manufacturing can transform supervisors from reactive troubleshooters into strategic leaders on your shop floor, it's important to consider concrete steps for turning these insights into action. By focusing on targeted improvements, companies can build momentum that benefits both their supervisors and the broader organization. The future of manufacturing is being shaped by those who embrace innovation while empowering their workforce. By taking a people-first approach to smart manufacturing adoption, your organization can create a more agile, efficient, and resilient operation. Let's connect. If you'd like to learn more about how to help your supervisors within your organization, contact me for more details through any of the methods on the screen. The QR code will take you to the Visual Decisions website for more information. Thank you again, and we look forward to seeing you in future sessions.